Today, we're going to take a look at some of the world's most amazing and functional tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Spyder TCT Hole Saw. The Spyder TCT Hole Saw, Spyder's patented rapid core eject carver, swaps out saws and removes cores at the push of a button. With the rapid core ejected, you have options you've never had before, like easily cutting at an angle or accurately enlarging an existing hole. We combine our rapid core eject system with tungsten carbide tip saws for the ultimate in speed and versatility. Spyder TCT Hole Saws cut 5 times faster and last up to 10 times longer than standard hole saws. TCT saws cut through wood, concrete, block, brick MDF, cement, fiberboard, laminates, and more. Unmatched speed, toughness, and innovation. The Spyder TCT Hole Saw. The MWLZFG fully loaded high-tech floodlight from Matco tools is designed and built to be versatile and reliable in any situation. Dual beam illumination allows the user to switch between a dimmable spotlight and a dimmable floodlight for more efficient battery performance. The HPS, or human body sensor button, causes the light to automatically shut off after 30 seconds if no movement is detected within a 6-foot radius. The obstacle detection system automatically shuts the unit off. If the light lens is blocked for more than 5 seconds, the unit will restart. It's the blockage is clear with an IP65 rating. This light features shot-proof quality with strong aluminum housing in both water and dust resistance. The unit will auto-calculate front and base on the light output percentage and set up the light in multiple configurations in locations with the magnetic swivel base, and clip the unit features an attached diffusion bubble, which can be rotated to cover the spot or floodlight. This light features a USB-C charging port with a water-resistant cover. RIDGID portable tri-stand vises. Each tri-stand pipe vise features integral folding legs for easy transport and setup, tool hangers, and a base that overhangs the front legs for a clear tool swing. Designed for pipe threading and fabrication, these tools deliver optimal efficiency. The Model 4606 can hold a pipe capacity up to 6 inches, has an optimized base layout to maximize working area, a convenient lug to clamp the weld ground, a rugged leg chain for the tough demands, and a durable tool tray. King Tony Dr. Impact Driver. Lezyne bike tire repair kit and inflator. This innovative 2 inches one-cycling C2 dispenser and 2 bellis tire repair kit simultaneously inflates and seals 2 bellis tires. It's built from machined aluminum construction, which is both lightweight and highly durable. A hardened steel reamer scours the hole, inserts the plug, and inflates the tire for an efficient and rapid repair. A CNC machine twist knob manually controls release of C2 gas. The aluminum canister holds the 5 included tire plugs and safely stores the reamer when not in use. High-quality tire plugs aggressively seal holes that are too large to be sealed by sealing alone. A sleek, compact design comfortably fits in your pocket or straps to your bike. Ryobi compact cutoff tool. The Ryobi high-performance brushless compact series of cordless tools. This cut-off tool is Ryobi's most compact cutting tool yet, with an inline design for better control, making it ideal for one-handed operation. Incorporating advanced brushless technology means more power, longer runtime, and a longer life through its frictionless motor. Intelligent electronics constantly regulate the motor to optimize power and runtime, featuring a 3-cutting blade which makes fast and clean cuts in metal, tile, PVC, and even cement board. The integrated depth of cut guide allows adjustment up to 16 millimeters. INGCO Plastic tube welding tool. Porter Cable's 20-volt max lithium-ion hammer drill, part of the growing link system of high-performance tools, delivers the power demanded by the user with a high-performance motor and 2-speed gearbox. Easily transitioned from drill to hammer mode for concrete, brick, and block applications. Hammer mechanism powers through the material at 27,200 beats per minute, half-inch metal ratcheting chuck, minimizes bit slippage, and a 22 position. Clutch provides control during various fastening applications, inlet work light, and bright and dark work areas. Additional features include a battery, fuel gauge, belt clip, and 2 magnetic bit clip holders. Through 20-volt max 2.0 amp power batteries delivers up to 33% more runtime. 20-volt max system also offers 4.0 amp power lithium-ion battery, delivering power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt max hammer drill provides the power. Durability, ease of use, and value are demanded on the job site. The Porter Cable 20-volt max system delivers the power you need and the price you want.
DAYTONA ratcheting jack stands, built to the highest standards with the most safety features on the market. Engineered and tested to provide best-in-class strength and reliability. And designed with industry-leading features that make them easy to use and incredibly safe, DAYTONA jack stands exceed all safety standards set by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. Let's take a look at all of the safety features built into the DAYTONA jack stands. They include a cast iron, self-locking ratchet bar and a double locking mobility pin for additional safety. They also feature heavy-duty solid steel body panels and 2 welded-in braces for additional reinforcement. The DAYTONA jack stands are robotically welded, with video verification for consistent full penetration, reliably strong welds including additional cross-seam welds, providing unmatched strength and durability. DAYTONA has raised the bar for jack stand quality, strength, and safety.
The SKIL 12-volt spur cord 12 multi-cutter slices through tough materials like carpet, cardboard, cloth, and leather, while the self-sharpening blade allows for interruption-free use. The battery has an integrated support to allow for on-the-go charging of your devices, while the lightweight and ergonomic handle reduces user fatigue. Whether you're laying new carpet, breaking down boxes, or cutting wrapping paper, this tool ensures a smooth completion of the job at hand. Hamsaw. It is a combo of hammer, bow saw, and precision ruler. It is a flexible yet lasting go-to tool for everyday use. The saw has an innovative design that allows the saw blade, hammer, and parts to be transformed into a tool without losing parts. With lightweight but sturdy aluminum construction, it slips neatly down the corner of the frame backpack and the weight is not noticeable. It's the ideal camping, hunting, and adventure companion. Hamsaw can also be used as a wilderness survival when it's an emergency. Thank you for watching this video on Top 5s HD. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.